welcome to my channel. So today we're doing a little bit of a lifestyle video. I want to show you how I'm using my new blender, which I'm so excited about. So you might be interested to see how it's juicing celery juice. I'm thinking mango because I have a lot of mangoes that my mom bought from Zim. I'm thinking to make mango sorbet, but right now I want to show you celery juice and how that all pans out. It's a pretty cool machine. It was pricey, but you really do get what you pay for when it comes to slow juicing, you know, for something that's quite decent. I will say, with the website I got it from, I managed to find X demo product. It was a little bit discounted, a little bit, but every penny counts, right? Anyway, let me jump straight into it. I'm going to be making celery juice. I am on day 7 of drinking celery juice every day. It is disgusting, but I have actually been seeing some benefits, which I'll talk to you at the end about. But let me show you me making celery juice. Just a few things whilst it's doing its thing. I would say what I've noticed is it's actually super quiet compared to other juices that I've been seeing online, especially the high-speed ones that use a little bit of heat and speed to blend or squeeze out the juice. This is a slow juicer, or a cold press juicer it's called. So obviously there's no heat involved. You get more of the nutrient profile of the vegetable, fruit. So that's supposed to be much better. I have noticed is my skin has definitely been a bit clearer. Like I said, this is day 7. I should have started recording from day 1, but it all came to me literally on day 3 that perhaps I should be filming this, but it was too late. So I figured, since this is a diuretic, I'm going to give it a try. The taste is absolutely disgusting, but the benefits are kind of coming through. I think this is something I'll probably do once or twice a month, depending on how I'm doing digestion wise. When I first drank it, within 45 minutes, probably less, 30-45 minutes, I was like running to the toilet. And then the second day, I wasn't exactly running to the toilet, but when I did go, it wasn't exactly all together, the poop, it was quite loose. But now, the third day I drank the celery juice, I didn't go to the toilet. I went to the toilet the next day, so I'm guessing everything had kind of left my system, and I do feel a lot lighter around the tummy area now that I think I've detoxed. So I'm gonna try to stick to the 10/12 days of drinking celery juice every day to see its full effect, because so far I have been seeing some benefits. So yeah, you're gonna watch me drink. It's very disgusting. It does get better if it's been in the fridge. When it's cold, it tastes better, but I know that it's apparently better if you drink it straight away fresh like this. So this is 1 celery juice. I buy my celery from Sainsbury's. It's organic. I only drink organic celery. I've heard that it tastes better than the non-organic one, so God knows what the other one tastes like. It's very salty, it's very bitter, it's very green tasting, it's very nasty. I'm not trying to sell the taste to you at all, but the benefits I think are worth it, and it's organic. Sainsbury's is doing it for £1. I think that's pretty good. In America, it seems like people were spending like $58 a week on celery. Anyway, watch me drink. Definitely, you must do it with a straw, because otherwise, So I'm done. I have been keeping the celery bits that are squeezed out. I don't want to throw them because it's organic and it's fiber. I'm sure there's some benefits. I want to use it for making my bulk marinade. I normally marinate this, make a Caribbean marinade, which includes, you know, their green paste. It does include celery if you wanted to. I'm going to keep it for that basically, so I don't throw it away because it is organic, and obviously we want this in our body. It's good putting them in here, putting it in the freezer. It is so easy to dismantle, I will say that. I like the size of it. It doesn't take up a lot of counter space. So just to put it in perspective, I don't know what to compare it to. Okay, so this is a 2 point something, 0 water, and this is it in comparison in terms of floor space. I think it's really good. That was something that was very important to me. It doesn't use up so much space in my kitchen because my kitchen is tiny. It's really easy to clean. It's really easy to dismantle. So basically, it's just that, and then you take that apart. This inside part comes apart in 3 different parts. The lid as well pulls off. I put this in the dishwasher. I give it a quick rinse if I'm making a different drink. Let me know if you have any comments down below. I will try to answer those as best as I can. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy, and I'm pretty happy with the colors. So they do a black one, a white one, and a grey one, and I really like that. Obviously, I like white things, so I will see you next week Sunday, 6 p.m. UK time. What?